Hi, this is Mrs. A of Math-A-Matic. In today's video, you are going to learn how to simplify rational algebraic expressions. What is rational algebraic expression? A rational algebraic expression is an algebraic expression of the form P over Q, means written as a quotient, where both the numerator and the denominator are polynomials. Here's some examples of rational algebraic expressions. 2 over x, 3 over x plus 5. So you notice the denominator here is a binomial. We have here 4x squared monomial over a monomial, which is 2x. Same thing here. 15x cubed y squared over 5x squared y squared. And here another one. I have here x squared plus 5x plus 16, which is a trinomial, divided by a binomial. Okay, so now, how are we going to simplify? To simplify rational algebraic expressions means to eliminate common factors. I have here 2 over x. Now, is there any common factors here of the numerator and denominator? No, this is already in simplest form. Another one, 3 over x plus 5. Again, there is no common factor or factors here. So, this one is also in simplest form. I have here 4x squared divided by 2x. To simplify this is to look for a common factors and get rid of it. So, 4x squared is equal to 4 times x times x. This one twice. Divided by 2 times x. Now, what we're going to do now is to get rid of the common factors. For 4 divided by 2, we know that is 2. So we have here 2 and we have here 1. And then we can get rid of this common factor again, the x and the x here. So what is left now is 2x divided by 1, or that is simply 2x. Okay, so this is now the simplest form of 4x squared divided by 2x is equal to 2x. Next, (15x cubed y squared divided by 5x squared y squared. Okay, so you know 15 divided by 5. And then we can expand that one also as 15 times x times x times x and y times y for y squared. Then for 5, we can have 5 x times x, y times y. And then next is by 15 and 5. What is the common factor of 15 and 5? For sure that is 5. So 15 divided by 5, that is 3. And this one is 1. And then we have here 2x and we have 2x here. And then we have 2y here and we have 2y here. So we need to get rid of that. So what is left here now? In the numerator, what is left? Oh no, we have 3 and x. And in the denominator, we have just 1. So 3x divided by 1, or that is 3x. Next, I have here 4x squared y squared divided by 6x cubed y. I can write that as 4 times x and y times y. The numerator, the denominator, I can just simply write 6 times x times x times x. That is x cubed times y. Now I'm gonna get rid of the common factors. So first I'm gonna do the variables. So this one. And then 1 pair of y. Okay, now for 4 and 6, 4 divided by 2, we know that they are both divisible by 2. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. And 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So what is left here? Or in our numerator, we have 2 and y. Denominator, we have 3 and x. Therefore, the simplest form is 2y over 3x. Look at this one. I have here 8x minus 10 over 4. So we have here in the numerator binomial, and we can factor this with common monomial factor. So what are we going to do is to find the common factor of 8x and 10. So for 8x, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times x. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, then times x. For 10, we have 2 times 5. So what is common here is 2. So that is the GCF 2, and at the same time, that is also the common monomial factor. So that number 2, you're going to put that outside the parenthesis. Then, open parenthesis, the first term should be the leftover from the first term. So we know that this is the common factor. So we have 2 times 2, 4, and then x, so that is 4x. And here, for 10, we have 5. That's why we have 5 here. And then minus, because given here is minus. And then divided by 4. We are not done yet. We can still simplify 2 and 4. So this is by 2, that is 1. By 2, this is 2. So we have 4x minus 5 divided by 2. Or you can separate this. We can separate this, 4x divided by 2, negative 5 divided by 2. Okay, this one, 4x divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2. Or, we know that 4 and 2, we can simplify that. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Or that is 2x minus 5 over 2. I have here x squared minus 16 divided by 2x minus 8. The numerator is a difference of two squares, and we can factor this easily as x plus 4 times quantity x minus 4. Simply get the square root of x squared and get the square root of 16. So that's the factored form of the numerator. And then the denominator, 2x minus 8, is simply get the common factor, or the common monomial factor, GCF. And that is 2. So we have now 2 times the quantity x minus 4. 2 times x, that is 2x, and 2 times negative 4, that is negative 8. Now, you notice here, In the numerator and denominator, we have common factors or common factor only here, x minus 4, x minus 4. So you need to pay attention to that because sometimes it will give you an idea what should be the factor or factors in the denominator. So now you can cancel this and this one. So what is left now is x plus 4 over 2. Or you can separate this. X divided by 2, 4 divided by 2. And that is x divided by 2 plus 2 because 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, I have here x squared minus x minus 6, a trinomial divided by binomial x plus 2. Do you know how to factor trinomials? General trinomials. Here, we need to look for 2 factors of negative 6, wherein if we're going to add, the result is negative 1, the coefficient of the middle term. So negative 6 can be negative 2 and 3 or negative 3 and 2. So which of these 2 factors wherein if we're going to add is equal to negative 1? So we have this one. And then simply, you can just write 2 parentheses here. And this is x. And this is x. And then plus 2. And then minus 3. Okay. And that's the factored form of the numerator. And the denominator is just copy that, x plus 2. Now we can cancel this one. And what is left now is x minus 3. Here's the last one. A trinomial divided by a trinomial. So in factoring trinomial, we need to look for 2 factors of negative 15 that if we're going to add, the result is negative 2. Same with negative 6. The result should be 1. So here's the factored form of the numerator, quantity x plus 3 times quantity x minus 5. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. If we're going to add this 2, that is negative 2. And then the denominator, we have x plus 3 times x minus 2. That's the factored form. And now we can cancel this factor or x plus 3, x plus 3. So what we have now is x minus 5 divided by x minus 2. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you.